Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a dedicated scene called Main Menu and importing your background and button graphics. Once done, place 3 sprites labeled Play, Options, and Credits where players expect them. Make global variables like current level and sound on so your menu communicates with gameplay scenes. Then assign each button a clear look and touchable area. This first setup gets you out of preparation and into building interactive elements immediately. Next, implement the interactive logic. For the play button, use a when tapped block to set current level and start the game scene. For options and credits, broadcast messages that other scenes or sprites listen to. Make short press animations, scale down then back, to give tactile feedback, and play a click sound conditioned on sound on. Use broadcasts to keep your menu simple and reusable. This approach prevents tight coupling and lets multiple listeners respond without duplicated code. Finish by iterating. Play through the menu flow, confirm the play button loads the right level, options toggle sound on, and credits show correctly. Make sure transitions are smooth, fade or slide animations help, and save settings to globals before scene changes. If something breaks, check exact scene names, variable scope, global versus local, and broadcast labels. Mismatches are the usual cause. Once stable, tidy sprites, optimize hitboxes, and export or share your Pocket Code project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.